Let us learn relations today. Relation is defined as the relation between two different sets. Let us learn this with the help of an arrow diagram. Suppose we are given two sets containing two different values. Then a relation is defined such that it connects the value of the first set with the value of the second set. So let us see here the relation is x comma y, where x is the first letter of the name y and x belongs to A, y belongs to B. Here relation will be the ordered pair where the first element will be from A set and second element will be from B set. And what is the relation between these two? X is the first letter of the name y. So which all elements are connected? A is connected with Arjun as well as with Ajay. B is connected with Bhumi. C is connected with Chetan. And D is connected with Dheeraj. So what all elements will come in R? Let us write those. A comma Arjun, A comma Ajay. Then the next will be B comma Bhumi, C comma Chetan and D comma Dheeraj. So these are the ordered pair which will belong to set R, to relation R. So in R we will have ordered pair where first element is from A and the second elements are from B and they are connected with this, that is X is the first letter of the name Y. So here we will be learning domain, range and codomain also side by side. Now what do we mean by domain here? Domain is the first element, or with the help of the arrow diagram you can see that domain are those elements here which are connected with the element of set B. So all these elements are connected. So all these will form domain, or we can say that the first element of the relation, all the first elements of the relation comprises of domain. So they will be A comma B comma C comma D. We do not repeat the elements here. A is coming two times, we will write it just once. And what is codomain? Codomain is the entire set B, whether it is connected with set A or not. So codomain, we will write all these names, we will write in codomain. Arjun, Ajay, Bhumi, Chetan, Dheeraj, Ina, Sonu, all will come in codomain. So in codomain we will write all the names. Arjun, Ajay, Bhumi, Chetan, Dheeraj, Ina and Sonu. So all these comprises of codomain. And in range we will have those elements which are connected with set A. So in range we will write all the elements which are connected with set A. So in these only these 5 names will come: Arjun, Ajay, Bhumi, Chetan, Dheeraj. Or we can say that the Y element of the relation R, the Y element of the relation R will form range. So range will be Arjun, Ajay, Bhumi, and then we have Chetan, and then Dheeraj. So domain will be the first element of the relation R, range will be the second element of the relation R, and codomain will be the entire set B, whether the elements are connected with set A or not. All the elements we should write in codomain. Let us understand it with the help of another example. Example 2. Set A is 1, 2, 3, 4 and set B is 1, 4, 9, 16. So let us just try to find out the relationship between these two. We can see that the elements in set B are the squares of elements in set A. Like 1 is the square of 1, 4 is the square of 2, 9 is the square of 3 and 16 is the square of 4. So what is the relation? X comma y, where y is equal to x square. Because the elements in set B are the squares of elements in set A, where x belongs to A and these elements will belong here in set B. So how we are going to write it? 1 comma 1, because 1 is a square of 1, then 2 comma 4, 3 comma 9, and then 4 comma 16. You can see that these elements are from set A and the second elements are from set B. Now domain will be the first elements 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4, and range will be the second element, or we can say the y component 1 comma 4 comma 9 comma 16. Here in codomain all the elements are related, 1, 4, 9, 16 all are related. So entire set B, here codomain and range are same. Now the next is, if I have the relation of this type, like 1 is belonging to 2, the image of 1 is 2, the image of 2 is 3, like that. Here in relation, what is the confusion, that student think that no element can be left like without connecting. It is not true. In relation also we can leave the elements even in this set as well as in this set also. So here relation is 1 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 4, 4 comma 5 and 5 comma 6. But while writing domain, range and codomain, we should take care, like in domain only the first elements will come, like 1 to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, only the x components or x coordinate of these will come in domain. So in domain we will have all the elements which are connected. Even in range also we have all the elements which are connected, but codomain will be the entire set. So range will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And codomain is the entire set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let us learn one important thing about codomain, about relation. What is that? If A is this and B is 4, 5, 6, 7, right? Set B is 4, 5, 6, 7. Now what is Cartesian product? A cross B. A cross B will be 1 comma 4, 1 comma 5, 1 comma 6, 1 comma 7. Like that we will be writing 1 comma 4, 1 comma 5, 1 comma 6 and 1 comma 7. Likewise I will be writing it with 2 as well as with 3. 3 comma 4, 3 comma 5, 3 comma 6 and 3 comma 7. Here we note that if A and B are like this and they are connected in this way. So what is the relation here? 1 comma 4, 2 comma 5 and 3 comma 6. So here I can see that the elements, these elements are from the Cartesian product only. The elements that we will have, they are from Cartesian product only. So relation is subset of A cross B. So whatever the elements you will have in relation, they will be from the Cartesian product only. You will not get any element in relation which will not be from Cartesian product. So we conclude that the relation is the subset of the Cartesian product of A and B.